Hi guys, in this lecture we will learn about 7 quality tools for process improvements in software quality engineering. Number 1 is flowchart. Number 2 is cause effect diagrams. Number 3 is control chart. Number 4 is scatter plot. Number 5 is check sheet. Number 6 is Pareto chart. Number 7 is histogram. Where did the basic 7 come from? Cora Ishikawa, known for democratizing statistics, the basic 7 tools made statistical analysis less complicated for average person. Good visual aids make statistical and quality control more comprehensible. What is flowchart? A diagram that uses graphic symbols to depict the nature and flow of the steps in a process is called flowchart. Benefit of using flowchart: promote process understanding, provide tool for training, identify problem areas and improvement opportunity. Draw a flowchart for whatever you do. Until you do not know what you are doing, you just have a job. By Dr. W. Edwards Deming. Symbols used in flowchart. This symbol is called start or end. This symbol called process step. This symbol called decision. This is called connector. Next is called measurement. Level of flowcharts. There are 3 levels of flowchart. Number 1 is macro. Number 2 is mini. Number 3 is micro. Keys to success: start with big picture, observe the current process, record process steps, arrange sequence of steps, draw the flowchart. Is the key to success. Next is what is cause and effect diagram. A graphic tool that helps identify, sort and display possible causes of problem or quality characteristic is called cause and effect diagram. Benefit of using a cause and effect diagram: helps determine root causes, encourages group participation, uses an ordinary, easy to read format, indicates possible causes of variation, increases process knowledge, identifies areas for collecting data. Next is histogram. What is histogram? You can see this picture. It's called histogram. A bar graph that shows the distribution of data, a snapshot of data taken from a process. Next is when are histograms used? Summarize large data sets graphically, compare measurements to specifications, communicate information to the team, assist in decision making. Next is, what is a Pareto chart? Bar chart arranged in descending order of height from left to right. Bars on left relatively more important than those on right. Separates the vital few from the tribal many. Pareto principle. Next is why use a Pareto chart. Breaks big problem into smaller pieces, identifies most significant factor, show where to focus efforts, allow better use of limited resources. Next is scatter diagram. What is scatter diagram? Scatter diagrams defined. Scatter diagrams are used to study and identify the possible relationship between the changes observed in two different sets of variables. Next is, what is a control chart? A statistical tool used to distinguish between process variation resulting from common causes and variation resulting from special cases is called control chart. Why use control charts? Control charts monitor process variation over time, differentiate between special cases and common cause variation, assess effectiveness of changes, communicate process performance, etc. Thank you.